Okay guys, I'm still in Pokhara and I'm hungry, so I did order the chicken thukpa. Chicken thukpa for the first time, so I'm super excited. I've heard a lot. I've heard good things about this dish, so I need to try it, of course. And it's 180 Nepali rupee, and I did order the banana lassi. So I will wait now till my food arrives and come back to you. Chicken thukpa. Okay, now I try. First time. Do I eat with this, with the chopstick, and then drinking?
You can use spoon for also.
Okay, okay. Now I use the chopstick for the noodles because it's a noodle soup.
For soup you use spoon also.
Okay, and this is Tibetan original or Nepali?
Nepali.
Okay. The Nepali people, of course, say it's a Nepali, and the Tibetan will say it's a Tibetan. But okay, let's try with a little bit chicken. Whoa. Wow, that's a good noodle soup. Normally it comes with coriander, but I don't like coriander, so I did order without the coriander. But wow, it's so good. That's a good chicken soup. Let me try the soup. Wow, it's a little bit hot, so need to be careful. And this is chili? Chili?
Yeah, pickles, Nepali.
I added to the soup. That's the pickles. I think I did try this in India and I didn't like it, so just a little bit to try. Oh, spicy. And of course, a little bit lemon. Okay. Sir, your thukpa is very good. Very
What's your
good.
channel name?
I can give you my card because my name is so complicated. Okay, here. Yeah.
Thank you. I
Thank
will
you.
subscribe.
Thank you, thank you. And I did order the banana lassi. Banana lassi. First time I tried the banana lassi. So let's give it a go. That's a good banana lassi. Today I was very lazy. Just woke up and then I did go to the massage beauty center, and I had a massage 1 hour for 1,500 elephants, and it was actually a good massage, so I definitely needed this massage. Okay. Wow, that's a good soup. One of the best chicken soup I ever ate. And it's a very famous soup in Nepal. And I did saw the thukpa in India as well, but I didn't try because I want to try the Nepali. Everything is fresh, the fresh ingredients. Wow, that's a good dish. Wow, I'm really impressed with this soup. Okay, and this cost me, let me check, 180 elephants, like a Nepali rupee, of course. I think this is $1.30, $1.40, maybe. Sadly, soon my bowl is empty. Okay. Okay, I'm done with my first chicken thukpa, and it was very good. I fully can recommend you this dish, and it's very healthy. And this is the place, Kulung Kitchen in Lakeside, Pokhara. So come to this place and support these lovely people here and eat maybe the best thukpa in Pokhara. Let me check my elephants. Oh, this is the tiger. I love the Nepali bills.
Huh.
It's so beautiful.
You give name.
Name?
Nepali currency name. This is the tiger.
This is tiger and the elephant is the 1,000.
Yeah.
This let me give this lovely people a good tip. Okay. Okay.
Travel solo?
Yeah, solo travel.
No. So how long do you stay?
Just 3 weeks.
2 weeks.
And in Nepal, I was in Kathmandu first, And yeah, I stay here in Pokhara maybe 1 week more. One week more.
See you again and do review also in our
Yeah.
Okay.
You see, these people are very famous. They do have the 5 stars.
We are
So-
local family running business. We are
Yes, family
started.
running business.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you for the tasty soup.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Hope see you again.
Yes. Okay, this was the Thukpa. This is the place to be. Kulung kitchen. So I just tried the chicken Thukpa, but I'm sure the other dishes are tasty as well. Oh, now the sun comes back in the beautiful Pokhara. Do I have everything? Okay. Now let's go to the lake. Ah, it's so beautiful. I love Pokhara. Good food, beautiful nature, and lovely people. Okay, now I need to change my camera settings because I'm outside now. But yeah, let's make the outro here. Okay, this was the delicious chicken Thukpa, Nepali Thukpa. Wow, it was so good. It's a healthy dish, so try this when you are in Nepal. And yeah, thank you for watching as always, and please subscribe to this channel so I can eat more chicken soup in Nepal and the whole world. And bye bye from Pokhara.